So here is I am actually assembling laptop. I have already installed here RAM and SSD. Now there is some issue on my laptop. The bottom right side of my laptop screen is getting darker, so I want to check some wiring connection. So that's why I am assembling it here. So here are some screws. You just need to remove all those. And I have already uploaded all those videos, how to import that, how to apply for SSD and how to install SSD and RAM. So it's a very easy process, you can easily do by yourself, and if you go in the outside market, then automatically they will take from you 5 or 6,000. Now just make that laptop like that. Okay, so now I will collect all those screws. Now just now you have to just open that side, and by using your nails or by using any other means, you have just turn it like just gently press here, automatically it will open. You will get the noise how that cracks are actually. I think here is one screw is remaining here. Please be sure to remove all those screws, otherwise it will going to create a problem. Now I think it will going to remove easily, just by your nails. Just remove your nails like in that. You have to remove all your nails on all sides. Here also. Okay, now you have to gently open up that. You will see below are those, you will see in that below are some wires are present, and you have to remove those wires very easily. So those are the wires of mouse. You have to just push that lock on inward side. Here are also keyboard sides wires. Here are the wires for there is no need to remove them. I think once again it gets fitted. Okay. And now you will see how is my PC HP laptop is looking actually. So those are the wires of keyboard. Here is a fan. Then I have installed my RAM below that. Here is I have uploaded my SSD. Here is hard disk. Those are the wires of mouse, and some wires are going toward the keyboard. This is the socket of battery. This one the socket of battery. Those are the sounds. This is the fan. And I think this is the wire of microphone. Okay, I will remove that one to the outside. And those are the wires. These are the wires going towards the screen, main screen from here. How to install SSD? You just need to remove that your what we call DVD drive, and you have just need to by taking one that 9.5 mm candy jack, you will easily fit that one here. So I will use my blower to clean that. So by using this blower I will So I have cleaned my laptop by using blower. Here are some Here are some dust is found in. Okay, now I am going to fit my whole assembly. This is a sound wire and it should be good. Now while joining the pin, be careful कोई आपसे गड़बड़ ना हो जाए. You have to just keep that microphone wire very well. I will check here display wires. I hope they are well situated, so I am not going to do anything here. Okay, I will just make a clean them. Okay, I have cleaned them. Now I am going to fit them. Be sure though they should be fit very well. Here is a lock. Okay, it gets locked. I will remove that one. I think here is some issue has been done on by now I'm going to connect the whole display. So those are the Wi-Fi driver wires. Make a joint very well and clear. Do not wear and tear wires. Those are the keyboard's wires. And those are the touchpad wire. Be sure that all those wires should be fitted very well, and after that just press here. You will get some lock noise. Now I will see is my really laptop is working. Just to connect that power cable adapter, just turn on. You will see here. I think there is no lighting display. Okay, my laptop is working now.